For this video tutorial, we're going to discuss copying pages for different purposes. So previously we've spoken about how you might have a certain page that you want one audience to be able to see, but might not be appropriate for another audience. So you're going to have slightly different content on two very similar pages. So instead of having to recreate the whole page over again, you can simply copy it and then make changes. So how we're going to do that is from our dashboard, we're going to click Portfolio. Once you click on that, it'll bring up the list of your pages. We're going to go to the right side here, and instead of clicking create a new page, we're going to copy a page. As you can see, I have all my pages listed here. So click copy a page. Now it's going to give me that option. It'll show all my pages again here. For this purpose, I'm going to copy my volunteer experience page. Click on copy page. Now it'll come up and ask you to title what you want the copy of the page to be called. By default, it'll say copy of whatever your page is named. I'm going to change it to volunteer experience private for organizational purposes. That way I know which is which when I look at it. Go down and click save. And then it's going to make a copy of your previous page. Now from here, you can add additional things that you might not want that other audience to see. And then you can change the privacy settings for this specific page. So I can show you that by going to dashboard. And then we're going to go to control your privacy. Now my new volunteer experience private page is here. I'm going to come over to edit access. And as you can see, by default, nobody besides you can view your selected page. So if I want a certain audience or the public to be able to see it for, say, just a 2-day range, I can add that in. I click save. And now that page that I'll have additional content on, that's a copy of my previous one, will be visible for 2 days, and then it'll go back to completely private. And so that's the value of being able to copy pages. And that's it for this tutorial.